Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Hyundai Elantra. I'm going to show you something very basic. We're going to be checking the brake fluid. So here we go. Right here is where your brake fluid reservoir is located, okay? I'm going to put on my safety glasses real quick, just in case. I'll remove the cap. I'll show you. It says use only .3 or .4 brake fluid, okay? It's very important not to use .5. .3 and .4 is hydroscopic and .5 is hydrophobic. So you want to pay very special attention and not mix those. Now we'll take a look down at our master fluid or master cylinder reservoir here. That's it right here. You can see that there's a little line and underneath it says maximum. Way down below there, all the way down here, there's a minimum line. Below it, of course, says minimum. So what you'd want to do is you want to make sure that the brake fluid level is somewhere in between those two lines. Somewhere up close to the maximum is great. You don't want it to be above the maximum line. So where this is just below the maximum, I'm not going to physically add to it. So I'm going to take the cap, I'm going to check it out, make sure that the seal is looking good on it. It's not swollen or missing or torn. It looks great. I'm going to put it back on. Got it clipped on. That's on there nice and tight. If I did have to add, I would just use something like this. Brake fluid, .3 certified right there, okay? If it says .5, don't use it in this vehicle. So there you go. If you need any parts or instructional videos, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.